Welcome back, nuclear enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the darkest moments of nuclear history, as we explore the top 10 nuclear disasters that have shaped our world. From catastrophic accidents to devastating bombings, these incidents have had profound impacts on countries and their nuclear programs. Join us as we uncover their stories and delve into the numerical data behind each disaster. Number 10. Windscale Fire, United Kingdom in 1957. The Windscale nuclear facility, established for nuclear weapons production and electricity generation. During a routine maintenance procedure, a fire broke out in one of the reactors due to a cooling malfunction. The fire led to the release of about 740 terabecquerels, TBq, of radioactive material contaminating the surrounding area. While the immediate casualties were low, long-term health effects are still being studied. The plant no longer operates, and measures have been taken to mitigate the environmental impact. Number 9. SL-1 Reactor, United States in 1961. The SL-1 reactor, established as a prototype for military applications, suffered a tragic incident during a routine maintenance operation. A control rod was mistakenly removed, leading to a prompt criticality excursion and subsequent steam explosion. The explosion caused the deaths of 3 operators and resulted in severe contamination. However, now the SL-1 reactor was permanently shut down. Lessons learned from this tragedy contributed to improved safety protocols in the nuclear industry. Number 8. 3 Mile Island, the United States in 1979. The 3 Mile Island nuclear established to provide electricity to the region. A combination of equipment malfunctions, design issues, and operator errors led to a loss of coolant, causing a partial meltdown in one of the reactor cores. While there were no immediate deaths or injuries directly attributed to radiation exposure, the estimated cost of the accident reached approximately $2.4 billion. The damaged reactor unit TMI-2 was permanently shut down, and the remaining unit, TMI-1, continues to operate after implementing enhanced safety measures. Number 7. Church Rock Uranium Mill spill, the United States in 1979. A dam failure resulted in the release of 94 million gallons of radioactive wastewater into the Puerco River, contaminating the water supply and the surrounding environment. The incident had severe ecological consequences and affected the health of nearby communities. The spill released approximately 1,100 tons of solid radioactive mill waste and contaminated water. Number 6. Kyshtym disaster, Soviet Union in 1957. The Kyshtym disaster was a consequence of the failure to repair a malfunctioning cooling system in a buried tank, where liquid reactor waste was stored. The incident had severe health consequences for nearby residents and long-term environmental implications. The release is estimated to be around 2.5 MCI, megacuries. The staying Kyshtym site continues to operate with stringent safety protocols. Efforts are focused on managing radioactive waste and minimizing the environmental impact. Number 5. Mayak disaster, Soviet Union in 1957. Established for plutonium production and various nuclear activities, faced a significant incident. An explosion in a nuclear waste storage tank released a substantial amount of radioactive material, contaminating the environment. The release is estimated to be around 740 pbq of radioactive material. The Mayak site is still operational, albeit with enhanced safety measures and environmental standards. Number 4. Tokaimura nuclear accident, Japan on September 30, 1999. A criticality excursion occurred during uranium processing, resulting in a massive release of radiation. 2 workers lost their lives due to acute radiation sickness, and numerous others suffered injuries. The incident released approximately 16 TBq of radioactive material. The Tokaimura site has undergone significant safety improvements and continues to operate with enhanced measures. Number 3. Fukushima disaster, Japan in 2011. The plant established to provide electricity and reduce dependence on fossil fuels. A massive earthquake and tsunami struck the region, causing multiple meltdowns and hydrogen explosions in the reactors, leading to the release of radioactive materials. The incident resulted in evacuations, contamination of the environment, and long-term health concerns. The total amount of radioactive material released into the atmosphere is estimated to be around 900 pbq, petabecquerels. The affected areas are gradually reopening as decontamination and recovery efforts progress. Number 2. Chernobyl disaster. Ukraine in 1986. Established to meet the Soviet Union's energy needs and showcase their nuclear technology, experienced a catastrophic accident. During a late-night safety test, a combination of design flaws, operator errors, and a power surge led to a massive explosion and subsequent graphite fire in Reactor 4. The Chernobyl disaster resulted in immediate deaths, long-term health issues, and casualties in the surrounding areas. It released a significant amount of radioactive material, approximately 5.2 million curies. The Chernobyl exclusion zone, covering a 30-kilometer radius around the plant. The estimated cost of containment and ongoing cleanup efforts has exceeded $2 billion. Number 1. Hiroshima and Nagasaki atomic bombings. Lastly, we cannot discuss nuclear disasters without acknowledging the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan in 1945. The bombings were carried out as part of the Manhattan Project, a research and development effort established by the United States to build atomic bombs during World War II. The bombings caused immense destruction, claiming the lives of an estimated 200,000 people, and causing long-term health effects due to radiation exposure. Hiroshima and Nagasaki have since rebuilt and serve as reminders of the catastrophic consequences of nuclear warfare. These events led to international efforts to prevent the use of nuclear weapons. And there you have it, the top 10 nuclear disasters that have left indelible marks on our history. These incidents serve as powerful reminders of the risks associated with nuclear technology and the importance of safety measures and international cooperation. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Stay informed, stay curious, and stay safe.